I'm gonna show some sounds that perfectly sync, starting with odd voices in Brazil. Of course, I'm gonna put those. Odd voices. I see. I bet are these guys perfectly sync as well. Dude, I'm pretty sure these two guys had the same sound. Somebody. Well, there was. I'm pretty sure one of the effects did used to be have the same sound as this guy. I think these two effects kind of sync. Of course, both of these melodies the sync. Actually, yeah, melody 2 and 5 sync. So now if I go to G-Van, okay, I'm gonna pause it. Okay, so the voice 1 and 2 sync. Okay, I'll go Little Miss. Okay, so for Little Miss, I suppose some sounds sync if placed at the same time. Like beats 2 and 3, I think sync. If they're placed in the perfect way, if they're placed at the same time, they would sync perfectly. I suppose the beat 2 and 4 also sync good if placed at the same time. Let me move on to a different version. So beats 1 and 2 in Alive, if placed at the same time, they will sync perfectly. I'm pretty sure, as you can see here. These two together are a power. These two are powerful. Moving on. Okay, so effects. So Mog, and I believe Akira. No, Ikari. I don't remember this dude's name. This guy. But these two sing. And of course, these two sync if plays at the same time. So in Dystopia, these two, I'm pretty sure, can sync good. So I'm pretty sure if you sync these, you put these two at the same time. As you can see, these two can sync. So if I do this, if I put these two. I'm not sure there's any other sounds that sync in Incredibox. I'm not entirely sure. Well, these are actually all the sounds that sync.